In today's video, I am going to teach you how to read your Stripe dashboard. Start from the home page of your Stripe dashboard. At the top of this page, you will see a summary of your account activity. This area gives you a quick view of your gross volume, current balances, payouts, and recent activity. It is a useful place to begin because it shows the overall health of your account at a glance. Next, use the search bar at the top of the dashboard whenever you need to quickly find something specific. You can search for customers, products, invoices, payments, and other resources without moving through each section manually. From the left sidebar, open balances to review both your available balance and your pending balance. This helps you understand what funds are ready to use and what funds are still processing. Then go to transactions. Here you can review your payment history, refunds, transfers, and other account activity. This section is helpful when you need to track the movement of money through your account. Select customers to view and manage your customer records. You can search for individual customers and review their details from this section. Open Product Catalog to manage your products and related pricing tools. This includes prices, coupons, shipping rates, tax rates, and pricing tables. If you use payment links, you can also access that area from the Shortcuts section to create and manage links for collecting payments. Next, click Invoices to create, send, and manage invoices. If your business uses Stripe Connect, you can also open Connected Accounts to manage linked Stripe accounts and use Connect Overview to see a broader summary of Connect activity. Treasury may include features such as Overview, cards, payouts, and capital, depending on your account. The Connect section may include Overview, Connected Accounts, Compliance, Tax Forms, Financial Accounts, Capital, and Support Cases. Under Payments, you can access tools like Analytics, Disputes, Radar, Payment Links, Terminal, and Agentic Commerce. Under Billing, you can manage Overview, Subscriptions, Invoices, Usage-based Billing, and Revenue Recovery. The Reporting section gives you access to reports, custom metrics, Sigma, revenue recognition, and data management. In Apps, you can install and manage integrations for your Stripe account. Under More, you may find additional Stripe products such as Link, Profiles, Tax, Identity, Atlas, Issuing, Financial Connections, Climate, and Workflows. Continue exploring these sections to become familiar with the tools available for managing your Stripe account. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.